Hey everyone, and welcome back to Car Trend, your number one spot for everything on the latest cars, trucks, and future concepts. Today we're diving into something truly exciting, the 2026 Ford F100 4x4. This is not just any truck, it's the return of a legend, a nameplate that helped shape the identity of Ford trucks, now reborn with a modern edge. Ford has blended nostalgia with advanced technology, giving us a pickup that feels familiar yet completely new. The design of the 2026 Ford F100 4x4 immediately sets it apart. From the outside, you can see how Ford paid tribute to the original F100 with its boxy stance, bold grille, and squared-off fenders. But this isn't just a retro throwback, it's modern and aggressive, with LED lighting, aerodynamic tweaks, and a muscular presence that shows it means business. Whether you're cruising downtown or tackling an off-road trail, this truck turns heads and commands respect. Power is where the F100 shines even more. Ford has given buyers a choice of engines, from an efficient hybrid system to a powerful turbocharged V6, with rumors of a fully electric version in the pipeline. The 4x4 system is top of the line, equipped with advanced terrain management, locking differentials, and an adaptive suspension that allows the F100 to conquer almost any landscape. Snow, mud, or rocky trails, this truck is engineered to deliver power and confidence wherever you go. It's not just about brute force, it's about smart performance tailored to every condition. Step inside and you'll find a cabin that balances rugged utility with comfort and style. Ford has clearly focused on creating a driver-friendly interior, combining high-quality materials with cutting-edge technology. The digital instrument cluster and massive touchscreen powered by Ford's Sync system make controlling everything effortless. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, premium sound options, and innovative storage solutions make this a truck you'll love for both work and play. There's even a nod to the past with retro-inspired design touches, making the F100 feel both modern and classic. Safety is another big highlight of the 2026 F100 4x4. With Ford's Copilot 360 system, you get adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, trailer sway control, and a host of driver assist features. It's the kind of truck that not only works hard but also keeps you and your family safe. That blend of toughness and protection is what makes the F100 stand out in today's crowded truck market. Ford has also leaned into customization, offering different trims, cab sizes, bed lengths, and optional packages. For off-road enthusiasts, there are all-terrain tires, skid plates, and lifted suspension kits. For those who want comfort, there are luxury interiors with ventilated seats and premium finishes. It's a truck that adapts to you, whether you're a weekend adventurer, a daily commuter, or someone who needs a workhorse that also feels refined. What really makes the Ford F100 4x4 2026 special is the way it bridges generations. It honors the heritage of one of Ford's most iconic trucks while proving that the future of pickups can be exciting, stylish, and forward-thinking. It's rugged but refined, tough but comfortable, retro but futuristic. This truck is not just a revival, it's a rebirth that sets the standard for modern pickups. So what do you think? Does the 2026 Ford F100 4x4 live up to its legendary name? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let's start a conversation. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Car Trend, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest car reviews and future reveals. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep chasing the latest trends in the automotive world with Car Trend.